Hi guys, this is my unboxing video for the selfie stick. It says here selfie stick L01 stainless steel monopod with cable, and that's the brand. I can't say it. I'll try. Ausemku. Something you want. A little bit about the information here: stainless steel, pole body, wireless, and the geometry, the length. I'm not gonna read the whole thing, but it says compact and lightweight. Size makes it easy to carry, highly secure, lightweight, stainless steel pole, extendable up to 4 stages with full adjustable extension, camera angle, adjust your 200-degree versatility. Obviously there's some typo in there. Adjustable arm extends from 2.2 inch to 3.3 inch, designed to take effortless selfies with the touch of a button. So again, there's a typo on the box. Just a quick specification: main material stainless steel, mount holder 2.2 to 3.3 inch, collapsed length is 7.3 inch, extended is 27.5, weight is 155 grams, battery is CR1632, and it's compatible both with iOS and Android devices. So this is how it looks on the box, features, and let me open it. Forgot my tripod, so I'm gonna use it one hand. Okay, nothing there. Put this in here. My first time opening this, so bear with me. Okay, pretty light. And it's clicking when you open it, so like that. And it looks like you can turn it. Oh yep, it turns 360, and it has some adjustable preference on the angle. See, it's cool. And this is the not sure if it comes pre-charge. Let's see how this. Okay, and this is the tripod portion of it. Bam, bam, bam. That's what it looks like standing up. So stainless steel, they said. I like it because it's light. It's kind of hard to open with one hand, but very light. It's extendable. Oh, that's the telescoping portion of it. So it says it extends to about 27 and a half inch. So that's a little over 2 feet. So that's what it is. And finally, there's the remote. It says it came with a battery, CR1632. So I'm pretty sure it is loaded. I just gotta pair it. I haven't paired it with my phone, but this is what it looks like. Very small. And you just slide it in like this. Again, I'm using one hand on my phone, one hand on my item here, so bear with me. Bam. I'm not gonna stretch it out because I don't have the space to do it, but this is what it looks like standing up. I open up the now I can use it for my next video. Alright, cool. Thank you guys.